Sorry, students. There's a net issue. Okay, so we should continue. Okay, now we were here. Okay, he drinks tea every morning. He does not drink tea every morning. Does he drink tea every morning? Then they do not leave for school at 7:30. They leave for school at 7:30. Do they leave for school at 7:30? Okay, now this is the translation. Now you have to convert this Urdu sentences into English. मैं अपने भाई से प्यार करता हूँ. I love my brother. ठीक है. मैं I. What is the verb? If you will follow the structure, you will not make the sentence wrong. Okay, आपको अपने sentences को correct form में बनाने के लिए you have to follow the structure. Okay, subject plus V1 plus object. Then we have subject plus V1 plus object. Okay, मैं तैरना जानता हूँ. I know how to swim. Okay, जानता हूँ. The verb is जानता हूँ. I know how to swim or I know swimming. Both are same. हम रोज अखबार पढ़ते हैं. We daily read the newspaper or daily we read the newspaper. We read the newspaper daily. नसीमा हमेशा सच बोलती है. नसीमा always speaks the truth. मेहनती तालिब इल्म इनाम पाते हैं. Hard working students get prizes. ओके, हार्ड वर्किंग स्टूडेंट्स गेट प्राइजेस. बच्चे चिड़ियाघर की सैर से लुत्फ उठाते हैं. चिल्ड्रन एंजॉय द विजिट टू जू. मीन्स वी हैव टू फॉलो द स्ट्रक्चर टू मेक द करेक्ट ट्रांसलेशन. नाउ this is present continuous tense, in which tense in this tense we talk about the action which is incomplete or still going on, जो अभी तक complete नहीं है. Like structure is subject plus helping verb is mr plus v1 ing form plus object. Example, I am speaking the truth. He she is speaking the truth. They are speaking the truth. am is used for with I. he or she के साथ हम is use करते हैं, and with are we use with they we use are. Again, continuous tense is also used for the states of being. Okay, किसी भी इंसान की किसी हालत को शो करने के लिए we also use continuous tense. He is a doctor. I am a teacher. Okay. Now, examples are he is drinking tea, the sun is rising, I am going to a park, he is speaking truth, I am taking a glass of milk. These are the sentences examples of present continuous tense. Actually, I am going a bit fast so that we can reach to the translation and complete it soon, because there is a net problem here, so maybe it will disconnect again. Okay, I'm telling you that maybe it will disconnect again, so please. Okay, now so singular subject plus helping verb and then verb first form plus ing. You have to consider the verb form of continuous tense, that we have to use v1 plus ing. Okay, the sun is rising, I am going to a park, he is speaking truth, I am taking a glass of milk. All these sentences are showing present continuous tense. The work is going on. The starting time of the work performance is not given. आपका जो starting time है, the work started at first time, it will not be over here. Okay, only this is mentioned that the work is going on, the work is in progress. वो किसी particular time पर start हुआ था, but it is in the progress, it is not completed yet. Now again we are having three forms of sentences. We are going for picnic, we are not going for picnic. Interrogative will be are we going for picnic, then question mark. Okay, we just have to interchange the order of the sentence. ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं करना. And again we are not using not in the interrogative sentence. Again it will become intronegative. अगर हम not use करेंगे तो वो interrogative नहीं, it will be intronegative. Now, negative is Ali is not eating mango. Affirmative will be Ali is eating mango. Not will be omitted from here. Then interrogative is Ali eating mango. Okay. Not will not come in affirmative and interrogative. Only not will come in negative. Negative में not आएगा, otherwise और किसी भी form में not नहीं आएगा. Then we have affirmative, negative, and interrogative of am I teaching English? This is the interrogative sentence. You have to put at the end of interrogative question a question mark, which will show that you are making it as a question sentence. Okay. Am I teaching English? Affirmative will be I am teaching English. Negative will be I am not teaching English. One more thing, whenever we are using negative, we have to use not with the helping verb. ओके नॉट कभी भी सेपरेटली या अलोन नहीं आता. वी हैव टू कनेक्ट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब विद द नॉट. नॉट को हमेशा हेल्पिंग वर्ब की हेल्प चाहिए होती है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब. नाउ कम टू द ट्रांसलेशन. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. अच्छा, तलाश करना, इट कैन ऑल्सो बी कॉल्ड फाइंड, सर्च और लुकिंग फॉर. ओके, in your at your stage, at your level, you may change the similar words also for the verb for some things. Okay, जरूरी नहीं है आप phrasal verb ही use करें. You may also write down the exact words. Okay, I am searching for my watch. Yeah, I am looking for my watch. I am searching my watch. I am finding my watch. Okay, but the best ट्रांसलेशन इज लुकिंग फॉर. देन हम एक नई किताब छाप रहे हैं. वी आर प्रिंटिंग, प्रिंट ing, a new book. Then again subject plus helping verb plus subject helping verb, verb plus ing, and then object. देन बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. इट इज ड्रिजलिंग, या बारिश हो रही है. अगेन ड्रिजलिंग, रेनिंग, दीज आर सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट वर्ड्स. ठीक है, ये ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो ऑब्जेक्ट के तौर पे भी, वी विल नॉट राइट इट इज द रेनिंग इज हैपनिंग. नो, दिस इज द रॉन्ग ट्रांसलेशन. रेनिंग इज हैपनिंग, बारिश हो रही है. बारिश होना itself an object and verb. Okay, so it is raining or it is drizzling, both are same. कुआं चल रहा है, रनिंग भी कर सकते हैं आप वर्किंग के बजाय. द पर्शियन व्हील इज रनिंग, द पर्शियन व्हील इज वर्किंग, बोथ आर ओके. माहीगीर मछलियां पकड़ रहे हैं. द फिशरमैन आर कैचिंग. अच्छा, पकड़ना मीन्स डज नॉट मीन ओनली होल्ड और कीप. ओके, व्हेन द समथिंग इज इन मूवमेंट, जैसे मछलियां तैर रही हैं आप उनको पकड़ लें, बॉल हवा में उड़ रही है आप उसको पकड़ लें, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड कैच. ओके, किसी मूवमेंट वाली चीज को मूविंग के दौरान पकड़ लेना. ओके, ड्यूरिंग इट्स मूवमेंट व्हेन वी कैच समथिंग, इट इज कॉल्ड कैच. वो होल्ड के मीनिंग में नहीं आती. द फिशरमैन आर कैचिंग फिश. पाकिस्तान दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की कर रहा है. द पाकिस्तान इज मेकिंग प्रोग्रेस और पाकिस्तान इज प्रोग्रेसिंग, बोथ आर सेम. ओके, बाय लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स, दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी, दिस इज द ईडियम. ओके, आप इसको डे एंड नाइट भी कर सकते हैं. या पाकिस्तान दिन रात तरक्की कर रहा है, पाकिस्तान इज प्रोग्रेसिंग डे एंड नाइट. या पाकिस्तान दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की कर, यहाँ क्योंकि इट इज कॉल्ड ईडियम, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग इट इन अ फ्रेजल वर्ब और ईडियम टाइप. बाय लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स, अगर ये याद नहीं भी रहता तो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज डे एंड नाइट, बट इट इज गुड दैट यू विल रिमेंबर सम ईडियम्स. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर हैविंग प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस whenever we are using, it means the action is completed. जो हमारा काम था, it has finished, it has completed, it is not completely done. Structure is subject plus helping verb. Helping verbs are has and have. Okay, for the plural subjects we use have, and for the singular subjects we use has. Okay, for all the singulars we use has, and for all the plurals we use have plus v3 verb की third form always, and then we are having object. Example, I have spoken the truth. Okay, I have spoken the truth, the work is completed. Example, he she has spoken the truth. Has is used for the singular subjects. They is again a plural subject, so we will use they have spoken the truth. Okay, for the singular subjects we use has, for the plural subject we use have. Then verb third form and then object. These are some examples. He has drunk tea. Okay, वो चाय पी चुका है. I have cooked the food. मैं खाना बना चुकी हूँ या पका चुकी हूँ. he has spoken the truth, उसने सच बोल दिया है या वो सच बोल चुका है. Not only चुका, चुकी, चुके will be in the meaning of present perfect tense, but whenever in the sentence is having sense of completion of work, उसने मुझे किताब दे दी है, वो मुझे किताब दे चुका है. ठीक है. और इससे मिलते जुलते सेंसेस मीन्स जहाँ काम की कंप्लीशन का सेंस शो हो रहा हो. सो वी विल यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. ही हैज स्पोकन द ट्रुथ, आई हैव डन माय वर्क. Okay, again we have three forms of this tense. Affirmative, we have completed the work. Negative will be, again we will use not with the helping verb. We have completed the work, we have not completed the work, have we completed the work, question mark. Negative, Ali has not eaten mango. Ali has not eaten mango. Ali has eaten mango. Has Ali eaten mango? Question mark. Have I taught you English? I have taught you English. It will be the affirmative. I have not taught you English. It will be the negative. Clear? If you have any query, any problem, you will save the question. You can save the question with yourself and you can ask me at the end of the lecture. This is the translation now. आप अपना काम खत्म कर चुके हैं. You have finished your work. Subject, helping verb, V3, and then your work is your object. मौसम में बरसात शुरू हो चुका है. The rainy season has set in. Again शुरू हो चुका है. Set in you may use or you may use started. Okay, the rainy season has started. Both are same. Clock 4 बजा चुका है. The clock has struck 4. Struck is a third form of strike. Okay, the clock has struck 4. उम्मीदवार पर्चा हल कर चुके हैं. अगेन कैंडिडेट्स, उम्मीदवार की ट्रांसलेशन, द करेक्ट ट्रांसलेशन इज कैंडिडेट. यू कैन नॉट यूज स्टूडेंट्स ओवर हियर. ओके, स्टूडेंट्स तालिब इल्म को कहते हैं, चिल्ड्रन बच्चों को कहते हैं. ओके, उम्मीदवार कैंडिडेट्स को कहते हैं. यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स, उनको मिक्स मत कीजिएगा. कैंडिडेट्स हैव सॉल्व द पेपर. अगेन प्लूरल है तो वी विल यूज हैव ओवर हियर. बोर्ड ने नतीजा का ऐलान कर दिया है. द बोर्ड हैज डिक्लेयर्ड द रिजल्ट. यू मे यूज अनाउंस्ड ओवर हियर ऑल्सो. ओके, उस लड़के ने सबक याद कर लिया है. दैट बॉय हैज लर्नड द लेसन. ओके, दैट बॉय, उस लड़के ने सबक याद कर लिया. अगेन यू हैव टू यूज टी विद द लर्न. Okay, the second form and third form of learn is learned, not ed learned. वो learned होता है. This is called याद किया हुआ. Okay, तो learned और learned में फर्क है. Be careful about this. Now we are having the perfect continuous tense. We talk about the action which is going on continuously and not completed at this present time. Means the starting time of the work performed is given to you. जो starting time of the work है वो हमारे पास होता है कि मैं इतनी देर से ये काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं इतनी देर से तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ, 2 घंटे से 4 घंटे से 4 बजे से 1 हफ्ते से. Okay, the starting time of the work performed is given to you, but it is not completed yet. It is still going on. Okay. As we are having perfect plus continuous, the combination of those tenses. ठीक है. Okay, now subject plus helping verb has have. In this tense we use been. Okay, we will use has have plus been. It is a combination of perfect and continuous tense. So has and have plus been. Then V1 ing, obviously continuous में ing with the object. And then we are having since and for to show the time period. Again, if we are having the period of time, okay, we have two things, since and for, and we have two timing of things, two things of timing like period of time or point of time. अगर हमारे पास period of time given है कि that I have been waiting for you for 5 hours, this is the duration. Okay, अब वो 5 hour कितने बजे शुरू हुए थे, the exact time 2 बजे 3 बजे से वेट कर रहा हूँ. no, the exact time is not given, the point of time is not given, but the period of time is given. So we will use for with the period and since with the point of time. The exact point of time is given when it is given to you. Okay, for example, I have been working in this company for 2 years. He she has been working in this company for 2 years. Again, has and have is different with the subject. If the subject is plural we will use have been. If the subject is singular we will use has been. they have been working in this company for 2 years. और अगर मैं कहती कि I have been working here since 2018, okay, the exact date is given of 2 years. 2 years पहले की मुझे exactly date given होती, then I will be using over here since. Okay, क्योंकि यहाँ मुझे duration period of time given है, that's why I'm using for. If I would be given here point of time, so I will be using over there since. Now these are some examples. He has been drinking tea for 15 minutes. Okay, the starting time of drinking tea is given to you. I have been cooking since morning. He has, no, have, it's wrong. We have to use has over here. Okay, he has been speaking truth since my childhood. Okay, the starting time of the work is given कि वो मेरे बचपन से सच बोलता चला आ रहा है. ठीक है. They have been learning a poem for 2 hours. I have been driving for 5 hours. For 5 hours or since 2 o'clock. Okay, for 5 hours or since 2 o'clock में क्या difference है? That the duration is given over here, period of time is here, so we are using for. If the exact time over here will be given to you, the point of time will be given to you, we will use since over here. Again, affirmative, negative, interrogative, it will be having, we have been searching for half an hour. ठीक है, searching for anything. We have not been, whenever we are having two helping verbs, we will split them and then put not in the between of these two. Okay, हम उन दो helping verbs को बीच में से split करते हैं and then put not in between of these two helping verbs. So what will be the negative? We have not been searching for half an hour. Have we been searching for half an hour? Then question mark. So we have to split these two helping verbs and put not or subject according to the negative and interrogative respectively between these two helping verbs. Negative, Ali is not, Ali has not. Oh, sorry. Ali has not. Okay. Ali has not been eating mango since evening. Again, evening with the evenings. Okay. With morning, with evening, with midnight, we always use since. ठीक है. जब भी हमारे पास, बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम, मॉर्निंग एक टाइम तक मॉर्निंग रहती है, उसके बाद आफ्टरनून में चेंज हो जाती है. ओके, आफ्टरनून इज हैविंग अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम, देन इट विल बिकम इवनिंग. इवनिंग भी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम का होता है, देन इट विल बिकम एट नाइट, मिड नाइट. ओके, सो वी आर हैविंग अ पर्टिकुलर टाइमिंग्स ऑफ दीज ऑल, morning, evening, midnights, whatever is the time given. So Ali has not been eating mango since evening, since morning, since afternoon, since midnight, since night. Okay, so all these day timings, पूरे दिन के टाइमिंग्स को जो हम पर्टिकुलरली डिवाइड करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम, तो वी विल यूज सिंस ऑलवेज विद देम. Then affirmative will be Ali has been eating mango since evening. Has Ali been eating mango since evening? Okay, then question mark. Third one is, have I been teaching English since 2018? Affirmative will be I have been teaching English. Then negative, I have not been teaching English since 2018. Okay. Now, these are the translation. मैं एक माह से ये तस्वीर बना रहा हूँ. What will be the translation of this? Now we will do it by ourselves because we have you people have to solve it in the assignments also. Okay, so मैं की English I, बना रहा हूँ I have been, we have to follow the structures. Okay, I have been making this picture एक माह से, फॉर 1 month. द मंथ स्टार्टिंग टाइम इज नॉट गिवन टू अस. अब अगर मैं इफ आई एम सेइंग टुडे एक माह से, तो इट विल बी 5th of July. ठीक है. विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम द 5th of July विल बी अगेन चेंज. अगर मैं नेक्स्ट मंथ में बात करूंगी तो इट विल बी द 5th of August. Okay, with the passage of time this duration or period of time changes. Okay, that's why we use for with them, so they are not specific. Okay, मैं एक माह से तस्वीर बना रहा हूँ. I have been making this picture for 1 month. Number 2, तुम 6 बजे से दोस्तों को खत लिख रहे हो. You have been writing a letter to your friends 6 बजे से. The exact time is given over here, so we will use since 6 o'clock. Okay. No bete, this is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, Hania Fahim, this is perfect continuous tense. It is a combination of perfect and continuous. Have been, has been plus V1 ing. Number 3, वो 1982, again the exact date is given, so we will have to use since over here. वो 1982 से एक मकान, इस मकान में रह रहा है. He has been living in this house since 1982. Okay, लोग सुबह से सैरगाह में आराम कर रहे हैं. The people are relaxing or taking rest. Both are same. Relaxing को आप taking rest भी कह सकते हैं. The people have been taking rest, okay, since morning. I told you that with the morning, with midnight, with nights, with evening, with afternoon, we use since always. Okay. बच्चा 2 घंटे से रो रहा है. दिस इज नॉट रह रहा है, ये प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है. बच्चा 2 घंटे से रो रहा है. द चाइल्ड हैज बीन क्राइंग for 2 hours. Okay, for 2 hours. Why? Because 2 घंटे वो कब शुरू हुए थे. Okay, अगर मैं 11 बजे बात कर रही हूँ तो दो घंटे will start had been started from 9 o'clock. लेकिन अगर मैं 12 बजे बात करूंगी तो वो 9 बजे के बजाय 10 बजे 2 घंटे स्टार्ट होंगे. तो विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम द स्टार्टिंग टाइम ऑफ द वर्क इज चेंज. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज फॉर. बच्चा 2 घंटे से रो रहा है. द चाइल्ड is crying for 2 hours. Okay, so these were the present perfect continuous tense translation. Actually today's revised lecture's motive was to solve the translation. Okay, as you have done the assignment of tenses, but translation usme included nahi thi. Okay, it would take time. That's why I have splitted the one लेक्चर इंटू 2. नाउ अब जब आप पास्ट के टेंस पढ़ेंगे तो इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू. ये क्योंकि पहला टेंस था, सो आई हैव स्प्लिटेड टेंसेस एंड ट्रांसलेशन इन 2 सेपरेट लेक्चर्स. लेकिन जब आप पास्ट में आएंगे, पास्ट के सारे टेंसेस पढ़ेंगे, तो इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड, टू लर्न इन वन सिंगल लेक्चर. ठीक है, तो उसको हमको स्प्लिट करना नहीं पड़ेगा. इट विल बी इन द सेम लेक्चर के टेंसेस भी पढ़ेंगे, ट्रांसलेशन भी पढ़ेंगे. ओके, नाउ प्रेजेंटेशन क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. ओके, now Anamta Rehan, give me the response of number 1. Anamta Rehan, give me response number 1. Unmute your mic and give me the reply of number 1. He has been speaking truth since my childhood. You have to change it into negative. Anamta Rehan, are you there? अच्छा स्टूडेंट, यू मे राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स ऑल्सो. ओके, थोड़ा सा आपको टाइम लगेगा लिखने में, तो यू मे राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स ऑल्सो. ओके, नो नीड टू रिप्लाई मी हेयर. Anamta Rehan, you will reply me for number 1. You have to change it into negative. Anam Zafar, you will reply me of number 2. Change it into interrogative. Okay, we have completed the work. Okay, Anam Zafar, you will reply me in the chat box and change number 2 sentence in the interrogative. Okay, and then Asba, number 3 को affirmative में you will change and give me the reply in the chat box. Asba Munawwar. Okay, and Nabil Khurram, sorry Nabil Khurram, this is Saad Khurram, I think. Saad Khurram, please rename your ID bete. Saad Khurram, rename your ID. Okay, Muhammad Arib. Muhammad Arib will reply me for number 4. Change it into negative. Muhammad Arib, change number 4 into negative and give me the answer in chat box. And Ula Fatma, you will respond me for number 5 and change it into interrogative. Okay. Now all of you give me the response in the chat box. I am just checking your answers. and we are also running out of time, so we are not having a much time over here. We have only 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. uh, then I told you before that at 12 o'clock your dictation or quiz will be posted. Okay. We have not been speaking truth since my childhood. ही के साथ बेटे we use have, there is a mistake. Okay, ये है okay, चले okay fine. अरहम, it's okay. Anam Zafar, have we completed the work? Very good. Good. Okay, we do not celebrate Independence Day on 14th August. Very good, Anamta. Sorry, Ula Fatma. Very good. Very good. Anamta, good. He has not been speaking truth since my childhood. Okay. Now, Arib, Muhammad Arib, you haven't replied me, bete. We are Nuseba. Okay, Nuseba, do one thing. Um, number 4. Sorry, number 3. No, number 4 को interrogative में. Okay, Nuseba, give me the response of number 4. Oh. Give me the response of number 4. What is happening? Number 4 को interrogative में change कीजिए. Okay, and give me the response in the chat box. There is something going wrong with my Zoom. Now it's good, it's better now. अब ठीक है. Okay, number 4 को interrogative में change कीजिए, then give me the response. Is he a doctor? Bete, where is the question mark? Nusaiba, where is the question mark? Very good. Now, okay. So be careful about this. Okay, those mistakes you are doing right now. That's why I told you to write. Okay, बोलने में it could make a mistake, but when you are changing or translating or changing the tenses, writing में जब आप करते हो तो it is better to solve in a correct way. Very good. Okay, students. So the time is over now. Your dictation will be posted at 12 o'clock. Okay, your homework assignment will be over there and we are having only translation assignment. ठीक है, हम इसमें अब tenses को solve नहीं करेंगे. You will be having only translation assignment, so you have to solve the translation only. Okay, Miss, मैं number 3 करूँ? Vania, we are not having time बेटे. Okay, we are just few seconds, so I am leaving now. We will inshallah meet in the next class. Thank you so much. If you have any problem, you may ask me in the classroom. Okay, thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.